Question, ikaw na nakikinig ngayon, worth pa ba umasa kung nasa last 2 minutes ka na lang ng buhay mo? Aasa ka pa rin ba na marireceive mo pa yung mga inheritance mo na pinangako sa'yo ng Diyos? Or feeling mo, napag-iwanan na ako ng panahon, wag na lang. Para saan pa ba? Ngayon pa ba ako aasa? Nung medyo kakahiwalay nyo palang mag-asawa, medyo umaasa ka pa na pwede pang ma-restore yung marriage nyo. Kaso ngayon, parang bomalabs na, mare, tumanda na kayo, lumaki na yung anak nyo, wala nang pag-asa magkabalikan. Or maybe may pinangahawakan ka before na pangako ng Diyos na makakaahon negosyo mo. Pero parang malabo na yung second win ko sa negosyo. Basta matanda na ako eh. I don't know about you, pero sino sa inyo rito, you feel like hindi na ako asa kay Lord? Or maybe some of you here, physical, pastor, stage 4 agad. Kakadiagnose pa lang. Advance mag-isip tong cancer cells na to, right? Have you come to a point na wag na lang, may edad na ako? Or wag na lang kasi grabe na, stage 4 na. So parang ang labo na. Tingnan natin yung buhay ni Caleb. For sure, may matututunan tayong a thing or two dito sa mama na to. The question for you today, for me as well, how do we finish strong and still have the faith to claim our inheritance from the Lord? I love to give this verse to you in 2 Timothy 4:7. I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Do you want that for your life? So, that's my hope and prayer. If that's you today, gusto mong may pagkatandaan, gusto mong lumaban hanggang huli, this message is for you. Point number 1, those who finish strong, follow God wholeheartedly. Ano po yung sabihin ng wholeheartedly? It means with all your heart. It is the idea na nag-embody what Jesus called the first and greatest commandment. Love the Lord your God with what? All your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. Sometimes we treat God hindi wholeheartedly. Ikaw na nakikinig ngayon, nagbago na ba paningin mo kay Lord? Nung dumating yung bill ng mga kuryente, nung dumating yung doctor's report, oh my gosh, pinabayaan na tayo ng Diyos. So again, I want to emphasize this. You want to finish strong? Follow God wholeheartedly. Wag half, wag 3/4, wag 1/4, wag 99%. Wholeheartedly. When we're pressed against the wall, talaga bang susundin natin si Lord? Napansin nyo yung basis para magkaroon si Caleb ng promised land? He followed God wholeheartedly.